Good morning, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2018. That's right, 2018 Mustang GT. This one is the 5-liter with a 6-speed manual transmission, dark blue in color. This car only has 886 miles on it. That's right, folks, 886. Folks, this car has just about every option there is to have. This has Bluetooth for your cell phone, navigation, backup camera, black leather interior, cool and ventilated seats, heated seats. This one is an absolute rocket ship. This even has the nicer sound system. It is the premium model. And it does have a lot of options ready for the track. You gotta come and see me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. You'll only find this car at Firkins, track ready.